Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and today I have to share with you I had my Handmade Wishes class. It was a great class. We had a lot of good fun and laughs and just chit-chatting and talking, and I used this photopolymer stamp set, and let me show you what we made. We made a gift tag that says Merry Christmas. It's got these little rhinestones on them, and then the to and from. We also made this tag, Handmade with Love, and that was with the framed florets, the inside, the label tag punch, and then the punch that goes with the Handmade Wishes, which is called the Handmade tag. So use that. We made this card with our extra piece that we had punched out. We made this card. This is a card that I used for one of my swaps with some girlfriends. I'll show you that swap in another video. And then we made this one using the DSP from the gnomes. Super cute. And then finally, we made this one where we punched out the tag and ran it through the embossing folder, and then we used this from the framed florets because we just wanted it to be a regular stamp and show that you don't have to just use the stamps that are in there. And then this is embossed. So that is what I made in this month's class. Next month's class is going to be a special class. We are doing it on the last Saturday of the month, which happens to be the morning of Christmas Eve. So I would invite you to do that. And we're going to be using the Forever Friendships cling set stamp, and that means it is an inexpensive set because it's not a bundle. So if you purchase this stamp set before December 31st, you will be invited to the class. I will be having a fun little giveaway with some bingo going on and lots of fun to be had since it is a special day. So I hope you can attend. If so, you can purchase at jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net. You are invited when you purchase the stamp set of the month, which is this one. Or if you are on my team, you get invited to every single one of them. So you can purchase anything at all from yourself and then come and you are invited to the classes. Or if you want to come to the class as a customer and not buy that stamp set, you just purchase $50 and from me, and you will get invited to that class as well. That's every month. So I hope you can attend, and I hope you liked my cards. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, and I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Take care. Bye.